Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Bank of America customer, you know how important it is to keep your details up to date, especially your address. Maybe you've just moved, or you're preparing for 2025's potential updates in banking security. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your address online. It's easier than you think, and it'll save you a trip to the branch. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bank of America account. Head over to their website or open the mobile app, both work seamlessly. Once you're in, look for the Profile or Settings section, usually found in the top right corner or under a menu icon. This is where all your personal information is stored. Next, navigate to the Personal Information tab. Here, you'll see your current address listed. Click on the Edit button next to it. It might say Edit or look like a pencil icon. Now, carefully enter your new address. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any delays in mail or potential issues with your account. After you've inputted the new details, hit Save or Submit. Bank of America might ask for verification, like a security code sent to your phone or email, so keep an eye out for that. Once verified, your changes should be updated almost instantly. Pro tip: if you're using the app, it's even faster, and you can do it on the go. If you run into any hiccups, don't worry. You can always contact customer service through the chat feature in the app or by calling their helpline. They're super helpful and can guide you through it. Remember, keeping your address current is key for things like receiving statements and protecting against fraud, especially with 2025's expected enhancements in digital banking. There you have it. Changing your address in Bank of America is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your finances.